Hey guys, this is Mr. Schoenberg. This is a quick look at 12.5, simplifying complex fractions. Don't let this one scare you too much. There's quite a few problems that really aren't too bad. When you see that big division sign in the middle, just think to flip and multiply. This one, I chose it because it's a little bit more challenging. The lesson portion goes through two different ways to solve this. You could either think of this as two separate problems. So you have this problem and you have this problem. It also goes into a method where you find the common denominator of all four bottom pieces there. So what I am going to do today is I am going to look at this problem first, the top one first, okay? So I have 3 over x minus 6 over x squared. The common denominator is the x squared. So the first side of this fraction, I need to multiply top and bottom times an x to get x squared on the bottom, okay? So after that, at that point, I have 3x minus 6, and that's all over x squared. Again, you can keep that separate. You can have 3x over x squared minus 6 over x squared. It's the same thing. Okay, and then on this bottom one here, I have 4 over x minus 16 over x cubed. So the common denominator is x cubed. So I need to multiply top and bottom times x squared so I can get the common denominator of x cubed. So now on this one, I have 4x squared minus 16 over x cubed. Okay. So this is my top one, right? And the bottom one is divided by, this sign means divided by, right? 4x squared minus 16 over x cubed. Okay, well now I'm going to change this to a multiplication problem and flip this second term using the rules that we have learned. So now this becomes times x cubed on the top, 4x squared minus 16 here. Okay, now it's time to see if we can cancel anything. Basically, this is x times x down here, so there's 2 x's down here, there's 3 x's up here. This is going to leave 1 x, because x squared goes in here 2 times, x squared goes into here once, and x squared goes into here, leaving an x. All right, now let's rewrite what we have. And when I rewrite this 3, I'm going to go ahead and factor out a 3. So I have 3x minus 2 over 1 times x, and let me bring out a 4 here. When I bring out the 4, I'm going to have x minus 4, x squared minus 4, which is the same as x minus 2, x plus 2. Okay, let me show you that one more time. If I brought the 4 out, I have x squared minus 4, and that is x minus 2, x plus 2. Okay, and now I can cross cancel again. X minus 2, x minus 2. That's all I can do. So now I'm just going to multiply across. I have 3 times x, which is 3x. And on the bottom, I can have 4 times x plus 2. And that's the final answer. Hawks will accept this answer. It will also accept it if you multiply through that 4. So 3x over 4x plus 8 is also a good answer. Hope this helps for 12.5.